Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to speed up your videos on iPhone beyond 2x? I will show you how to do it using a third-party app. Let's get started. We are using the InShot app as our third-party app today. If you do have it, kindly proceed by opening it to start the video, or open the App Store and download the InShot app. Launch the InShot and tap on Video. Tap on New to create a new project. Select the video you want to use and tap on the check mark. Tap Speed and move the slider to the right. InShot allows you to speed up your video significantly more than iMovie. Once you are satisfied with the speed, tap the save icon in the top right corner to export your video. And that's it, guys. You successfully speed up your video on your iPhone beyond 2x using a third-party app like InShot. If you found this helpful, please comment, like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.